Ever wondered how to make money while you sleep? Let's talk about an intriguing concept known as passive income. Unlike active income, where you trade your time for money, passive income is all about making your money work for you. Instead of clocking in and out of a 9-to-5 job, passive income flows in from investments you've made or projects you've started, requiring little to no effort to maintain. This strategy is a game changer for those seeking financial freedom. It provides time flexibility, allowing you to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, or even take that vacation you've always wanted without worrying about your finances. Moreover, passive income has the potential for exponential growth. As you reinvest your earnings, your passive income streams can grow into a mighty river, creating wealth and security for the future. Imagine a life where your bank account grows while you're busy doing things you love. Sounds like a dream, right? But it is achievable. So how does one go about earning money while they sleep? Well, let's dive into the diverse world of passive income. Picture this. You're a landlord collecting rental income without having to clock in. Or perhaps you're an affiliate marketer, earning a commission every time someone purchases a product through your referral link. But that's not all. Ever heard of dividend stocks? These are shares in a company that pay you a portion of their earnings. It's like being a silent partner in a thriving business. And then there are digital products. Write an ebook, create a course, or develop an app. Once it's out there, it can continue to generate income with no extra effort on your part. Each type of passive income requires different levels of initial effort, but the end result is the same: money flowing into your pocket without having to trade your time for it. Now that you know what passive income is and the different types, you might be wondering how to get started. It's a journey that requires planning, time, and a dash of courage. But fear not, we're here to guide you. Firstly, let's talk about the initial research. It's like laying the foundation for a house. It needs to be strong and well planned. You'll want to explore various passive income streams, from real estate investments to creating an online course. Look into each of these options, understand how they work, what they require, and how they align with your skills and interests. Next up is the selection process. This is where you choose the passive income stream that resonates with you the most. It's like picking out the perfect outfit. It should fit you well and make you feel confident. Maybe you're a whiz at stock trading, or perhaps you've got a knack for writing ebooks. Whatever it is, pick the one that fits your skills and interests the best. Once you've made your choice, it's time to invest. No, not just money, but your time as well. It's like planting a seed. You need to nurture it with care and patience for it to grow into a thriving plant. This could mean taking the time to create that online course or spending money to buy and renovate a rental property. Now, here's the part where patience and consistency come into play. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's more like a slow-cooked meal where the flavors intensify over time. You need to be patient and consistent, continually nurturing your investment and allowing it to grow. Remember, the journey to passive income isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. But with patience and dedication, you'll cross the finish line and reap the rewards. You'll be able to enjoy the fruits of your labor without the constant need to work. And isn't that a goal worth striving for? So, are you ready to start your journey to financial freedom? That's the question you need to ask yourself today. Passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategic approach to wealth creation that requires patience, resilience, and a bit of elbow grease in the beginning. But once you've planted those seeds, the fruits of your labor can potentially yield a lifetime of benefits. Remember, the road to earning passive income may not be smooth. You'll face challenges, experience setbacks, and there might be times when you'll question your choices. But don't let these deter you. The end goal is worth all the bumps along the way. You have the potential to create a stream of income that's not tied to the hours you work. Imagine the freedom that can bring. The time to act is now. The path to passive income is paved with opportunities. So don't wait. Start your journey today and make your money work for you, even while you sleep.